Hello children, welcome to the class. Today also we will continue with the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash from the book First Flight. In the previous class we had seen that Belinda, Ink, Blink and Mustard pride themselves on their fearlessness and bravery. They looked down upon poor Dragon for his timidity. But the whole situation changes when a pirate attacked Belinda's house. Belinda started crying for help. Mustard and Ink both fled from the scene, and Blink dived into his hole. No one had the guts to face the pirate. So let's read and find out who is actually brave and how does he show his bravery. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clasped his tail like irons in a dungeon. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling scream, he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Custard gobbled him every bit. So, Custard the dragon was not at all scared and tackled him. He is ready with a ferocious response. At the moment, he stood up, snorting like an engine, and attacked the pirate in a similar manner in which a worm is attacked by a robin. The pirate fired 2 bullets at him, but still he was not scared. The dragon hit him hard with his forceful tail and ate him up. Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Blink in glee and great around the dragon that ate the pirate. So Belinda and the others were quite happy. They hugged the dragon and kissed him, danced around him. This is how they expressed their joy. So, ironically, it is the cowardly dragon that came to rescue. But presently, up spoke little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke Ink, and up spoke Blink. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think, and Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Belinda still lives in a little white house with a little black kitten and her little grey mouse and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon and her Trulio little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a race, but Custard keeps crying for a nice, safe cage. So after the danger is past, they again came back to glorifying themselves that they could have been twice or thrice braver than the dragon. And Custard agrees that everyone is more brave than him, that everybody is braver than me. So finally, at the end of the poem, the situation again came back to the other pets being brave and the Custard and the dragon being the coward. Through this poem, the poet wants to convey the message that true bravery manifests itself only at the time of adversity. We should never judge anyone or discriminate against him because of the way he looks or thinks. Moreover, we should never believe those who boast about their abilities and appreciate themselves. Bravery manifests itself only at the time of adversity. Just like in the poem, all the pets boast about themselves, while Custard remains coward. However, when the pirate attacks, their bravery is gone and they run away to save their lives. On the other hand, Custard fights the pirate bravely and kills him. So, the poet wants to convey that we don't have to be brave all the time. We just need to be brave when it matters. Thank you.